Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. It's your girl Zaahav again. If this is your first time, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you know when I post a video. So today's video is the first of its kind on my channel. I've never really done one of these on my channel before, and it's a try on haul. And the items I'm going to be trying are all from Frill thing. I bought a bunch of clothes, this many. Now if you don't know what Frill thing is, they're a very popular brand on Instagram and their website is www.prillthing.com. This video isn't sponsored. 100% of the opinions are mine and how I feel about the outfit. And I know a lot of people have been thinking, like, what is the purpose of a try on haul? Well, it is essentially me getting the clothes, me getting the items off their website and trying it on myself to kind of show you how it looks like. I will give you my review, my opinion, how I feel about the material, quality, style of the items I purchased from the site. Now, a lot of the items that I purchased can be used both in quarantine and post-quarantine. I did purchase a mix of both because I just kind of wanted to mix of those, because even though we're still in quarantine, there are some people that have gotten out of quarantine, like the state of Georgia. I know they're currently out of quarantine. However, I still kind of picked items that I know, you know, even post-quarantine, they would still feel like really cute lounge sets because everyone is trying to, you know, look cute this quarantine or whatever. And then the post-quarantine dresses, because you know what, we're trying to be with somebody's son. And a lot of the other items are post-quarantine. They're like really cute dresses that I feel like, and like bodysuits that I feel like you can wear post-quarantine. You know, if you want to hit the club right after this is done, like you can hit the club, you can wear on a date. At least that was the intention. But you're eventually going to hear my opinions of most of the dresses. I mean, if you've already come this far in the video, you might as well just hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notification, because you don't want to have to manually type my name in the search bar or type the name of the video in the search bar just to find me. Just turn on the notifications. It makes it like 1,000 times easier. And then YouTube will do the rest. Like, they'll just remind you when I post a video. That's it. Like, that's literally it. It's that simple. Like, why would you want to make your life more complicated when you can make it that simple? You know what? Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first outfit on my list is actually a set, and that's actually what I'm wearing. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put side by side so you can see the full outfit. And this outfit is actually a lounge set. I really love the way that it feels. It is gorgeous. I like the color. It's pink. Can't really go wrong with pink, you know what I mean? I like how it just is comfortable. It's pink. It's the kind of outfit that you want to wear when you're trying to look cute to the grocery store. You're trying to look cute walking around the street. You just want to look cute in general. You know, old school hoops, a pair of white sneakers, and you're good to go. Like, I feel like you can even pair it up with heels, just take a picture. I don't think I'd ever really pair it up with heels. I feel like I'll just do the old-fashioned white sneakers and hoop earrings. And it kind of goes with my braids as well because they're like blonde, so yeah, like it's like the perfect combination. And I also really like the way that it feels. Like, it's super like stretchy, and it's kind of thick too. Like, it's thick towards like the cuffs. I like how this isn't just a round neck, like it's actually kind of further apart, so it kind of gives it that chic chick look that you want it to give you. I would usually wear a medium, but I did order this in a large because yeah, this is the fitting that I wanted. Like, I kind of wanted to play with it, you know, play around with it and just be comfortable with it. And then the pants they're like super comfortable, and they have a drawstring in the middle that you can just use to pull around your waist in case it doesn't fit properly. And they're a bit stretchy as well, and I like how they also have a bit of a length because I'm a really tall female. I'm probably like 70% legs. In general, I like the outfit. I like the style, the purpose of the outfit, the quality, the material, everything. Like, I would definitely give it like a whole, maybe like a solid 9, actually, maybe like a 9 or like an 8.5, just because I don't think I'll ever give any outfit a 10. That's just me, you know, but I'll definitely give it like an 8.5. And the next outfit that I'm going to be trying on is the blue of the lounge set. It's a little bit different, even though they claim that they're the same on the site. It feels different. The blue one kind of feels it feels very comfortable. It feels as comfortable as the pink one. However, it just feels lighter in terms of material. It kind of just feels slightly different. The difference isn't so much, like it isn't thicker around the cuffs. It's just really different is the word. Like, it just feels really different. In general, it doesn't hold as much, and as you can see, the top is a crop. It doesn't come as low as the pink one does, and it doesn't hold at the bottom the way that the pink one does. I personally, like, I'm usually not a fan of blue. I don't like any color blue. Like, I would only wear blue in denim. However, like, I feel like this is a very gorgeous shade of blue. I feel like it's perfect for this set. This is the kind of outfit that someone says, hey girl, pull up, you want to see some Netflix, and you don't want to look like like you're putting in too much effort. You just want to look like you threw on something and just rushed by. Same thing I would do with the pink one. I would pair it with a white pair of sneakers, old school hoops, and you know, we're good to go. But because it has a little bit of a crop, I might want to do this with some heels every once in a while, try to look cute or whatever. Just because it's not the same quality, I would kind of give it like an 8 as opposed to like a whole 8.5. You know what I mean? But it's not a bad outfit at all. Like, it's super comfortable. It's also super stretchy. One more thing to add about these sets is that they were purchased as a set on the website. I know majority of these brands would have a set, but then they'll sell the shirt and the pants, or the shirt and the skirt separately. However, this one was actually advertised on the website as a set. This next one is a bodysuit. It was really one of my faves from the picture. Like, I really loved it when I saw a picture on the website, and I still really love it. However, it wasn't long enough. If I hooked the thing underneath, you know, the thing that hooks into your vagina, the off shoulder would have come below my nips. Like, it's a mesh material. It wasn't one of those like very lousy mesh materials. No, it was decent. Like, it wasn't the best that I'd seen, but it can compare. It can definitely compare. Like, it's a very good mesh material. I like the style of the bodysuit. I like the color. I like everything. However, I just feel like they need to start making things for taller girls, because my upper body is pretty long. Like, it might take you a minute to go all the way from my shoulder to my freaking torso, okay? That's the only issue that I really had with the bodysuits. Other than that, like, I really love the fact that it's long sleeve. I love the mesh. It's not transparent. It has a material underneath that covers, you know, your body. I love everything about it. Just because now I do have one problem with it, I'm gonna take out like 2.5 points. So I'm gonna give it like a solid 7.5. Now, this next one is one of my faves. Like, it still is, it will always be one of my faves of all the items that I purchased. It is a bodysuit and a skirt. The top is mesh and it's completely see-through, as you can see. The skirt is a midi skirt, while the bodysuit is just, it's long sleeve, it's mesh, it's like, it's gorgeous. The skirt, however, is mesh, but there is that elastic thingy that's underneath, so it kind of looks like your skin, and it just goes perfectly. It's perfect. It's perfect. No other word. It's perfect. I'm gonna give it a 10 because I just love the color. I love the fact that it's different. No, actually, scratch that. I'm not giving it a 10. I'm gonna give it like a solid like 8.5, 9. It accentuates your body shape. Like, it's just perfect. And I don't know, I'm obsessed with long sleeves. I don't know why. I just really love long sleeves. Not because of any insecurity or anything. I just really love them. You know, I feel like they fit me better because I have a longer body. So I tend to wear long sleeves more and skirts that go below my knee more. I'm not really a fan of mini clothes, but I did get a mini. I did get a mini. But the material is pretty okay. Like, it's in the dead center between affordable and expensive, you know. I do like the Chinese writings, but the reason I'm taking out 1.5 points from it is because I don't like how big the writings are. I'm not even sure if it's Chinese, and I'm so sorry if I made a mistake. I really love it. I just wish it was slightly smaller and like just more well put together. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like they just wanted to just do something and just put it out there. And it's gorgeous. It's absolutely, oh my god, it's absolutely gorgeous. Like, it's a gorgeous fit together. Now, on the website, they were advertised as 2 separate clothings, but you know, if you search the name of the outfit, you'd be able to get both the top and the skirt together. So this next piece is a white bodysuit. It's really plain, really plain. There's not supposed to be so much going on with it, but I love it. Like, it's kind of ruched in front, and that is just perfect. It's actually just perfect. I feel like I should have ordered it in a bigger size just because I don't like the way it holds around my love handles, but I'm not mad. It does have a mesh material in front of it and the stretchy material behind it, so there's really not much I can say because it's white, it's plain. You can never really go wrong. You can throw on a jean jacket, black leather pants, you know, boots, a chain purse. You're perfect. Heeled boots though, not block heeled boots. No. In general, it's a very plain bodysuit that can be paired with literally anything. That's really all I have to say. I'm gonna give it a solid 9. Actually, I might just give it a solid 9. You know what I mean? Like, it's more about pairing it with something that actually brings out the bodysuit. As simple as that. Now, this next outfit on the website, it looked really nice, not gonna lie. It looked really good. Maybe it looked like a 7.5, and I feel like if it came, I would have been expecting like a 7.5 still. But when it came, when I felt the material, I was disappointed. I was disappointed. The material is trash. The slits is trash. Even if I took a picture with it, you would be able to tell how low grade the material is. It just fits. That's just all that it does. Like, I would actually be overdoing it if I gave this outfit a 4. Like, I'm being very generous at that point. You know, I don't like it. I don't like it. However, it might look better on camera just because it is on camera, but it's just, I don't like it. I'm gonna give it a solid 4, period. Like, but I don't blame them because it's cheap. The price is cheap. It's not even affordable. It is cheap. Would I wear it? Maybe for a picture, yeah. Would I actually wear it out? Not. Probably not. The only thing is, with their clothes, you can tell that threading is actually really, really neat. But that's the only thing that works for this outfit. Now, this next dress, the material was okay. It was okay. It was a fine balance. Like, it's super stretchy. It was nice. It was okay. It was okay. Like, if I was even supposed to give it a something, I'll give it like a 7.5. You know what I mean? The only problem I have with it, it's a mono strap. It's not even a strap. It's just a one-hand type outfit type dress. It's perfect. It goes below my knee. It accentuates my body. It's perfect. The only thing that I don't like is that the elastic band on the hand of the dress kind of makes it pull a lot more inward as opposed to just resting on your shoulder. That's the only problem I have with the dress, and I'm gonna insert a picture for you guys to see. But let me warn you, don't say I didn't warn you, don't say I never did anything for you. Here he. If you're going on a date and you intend to eat a lot or even a little, don't wear this dress, or put on a waist trainer, because any little bulge in your tummy, this dress will show. It's that dress you wear when you want to go on a date or to an occasion and all you want to have is a salad. Like, you don't even want to be drinking too much water. Don't do that. Don't do that. I warned you. Whenever you wear this dress, I'm warning you. Eat only a salad. Drink only half a cup of water, okay? Don't listen now. But yeah, no, the dress is gorgeous. Actually, I'm gonna bump it up to 8.5 because I really love this dress. I really love this dress. If you can't tell, I'm literally standing on one foot. I don't know why. I've been standing and it's kind of getting strenuous. Standing on one foot and I'm shaking. All right, no, that's too hard. Oh, actually, that was nice. Let me try the second. 1, 2, 3. Oh, never mind. So the next outfit is nice. It is also nice looking. However, the material isn't so great. But it's not like the material is like shabby or whatever. No, it actually looks like it would hold for a long time, like even if I throw it in the wash. But it just doesn't look like the right material for the outfit. I feel like it should have been a lot more satin than what it looks like. So disregarding the fact that I don't like the material, everything in this outfit is perfect, considering I don't like mini dresses. You would rarely ever catch me in a mini dress. And the reason is I'm really tall. So majority of the mini dresses that are produced by these brands, they usually fit me like a shirt. Like, I would have to struggle a lot or like wear a coat, and I don't want to have to do that. But you see, this dress is like the perfect mini. It fits like not just underneath my bum, but like it holds also, like it grabs it also. I'm gonna disregard the fact that I don't really think the material looks great. It just doesn't look great, but it feels good. Like, it just feels okay. You know, it feels okay. You know, it feels like it would work. Exactly, that's it. It feels like it will work. It doesn't feel so great. Don't mistake this with the material feeling bad. No, it doesn't. So disregarding that whole thing, the whole statement, I'm gonna go ahead and give this outfit maybe a good 8.5 too. Like maybe a good 8.5. Like, I really love the way that it feels on my body. That's really about all I have to say about the outfit. It's the perfect mini for me. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Say it with me. It's gorgeous. Look at it. I mean, look at it. It's gorgeous. I can't hear you. Alrighty then. That's all I have to say. And the last outfit is this black dress. I was not expecting so much from this black dress when I had clicked on the website to add it to my cart, and my expectations were met. You know, it's a simple dress. I don't really like the way it fits around the neck. It's not a bad dress at all. It really hugs your body. However, my only advice would be, if you're gonna purchase this dress, make sure you purchase it in your exact size or slightly bigger, because the stretchier it becomes, the more transparent it becomes. It's almost see-through once it stretches further than a certain extent. So I would advise you to purchase the dress in your exact size or slightly bigger. I wouldn't even really advise you to purchase it in a bigger size, because if it's bigger, it would start to maybe fold and it wouldn't look flattering at all. But it's a good dress. I like the cutout that just kind of accentuates like your boob area. I wish the neck part would hold a bit more. That's the only problem that I have with the dress. Because of those two things, I'm gonna give it a 6.5. Other than that, it's a great dress. It's a very simple dress. There's really not much you can do with it. You know, put on a pair of heels, a cute purse, and that's it. I personally would not wear this for a dinner date or like a proper gathering. I would probably wear it if I had to go to a bar, but nothing too fancy, no. I'll give the material a 2. The style, I'll definitely give an 8. You know, do an average of those, but you know, I'm gonna bump it up to like a 6.5 just because I really do like the style. All right, we're good. The last and final item is a pair of sandals that I got. They are sturdy as hell. They're perfect. I'm not really showing you guys because my pedicure is horrible. Like, I haven't, obviously everywhere's been closed for about 2 months, so I can't fix my toenails. I can't get my toes done, so I'm not gonna show you guys what my ratchet ass toes look like right now. I will be showing you a video of me holding the sandals on the side. It is perfect. I did try them on. They feel sturdy, they look sturdy, they look great, and that's the only thing, that's the only item amongst everything that I purchased that I'm gonna give a 10. It's perfect. It looks perfect. When I do take a picture, I'll put it on my Instagram, and I'll be sure to update this video with a link to the picture of the sandals. I will also have all the items that were listed in this video in the description box down below, so be sure to expand that description box. Everything is gonna be there, okay? And that's about it for the items, guys. That's about everything that I have for today's video. It's 100% my opinion. That's how I feel about each of the items. I do feel like for their price point, like, they're perfect. You know, they could have been better, but then they would have been more expensive. And I know this is the first of the try-on hauls that I'm ever doing, but there will be more. I just kind of wanted to get used to and know how to do it. That's it. Like, I've never done it before, so now that I have, it'll be a lot easier to do it. I think that's about it. And we've come to the end of this video. If you've come this far already, it pretty much means you like this video. You know, I said something that kept you here, or you were just inquisitive. So if you did like this video, I mean, a thumbs up would be nice. You know, a subscribe would be nice. You know, and also just, I don't even know how to draw that bell, but just turn on that bell. Turn on the notification bell so that you know when I post a video. Like I said, it's way simpler that way. YouTube does the work for you. Once I post a video, they send you a reminder. You know, you watch it. That's it. All right, guys. See you in my next video. Oh, no. I didn't forget. The video's right here. It's here. Click it. I mean, what are you gonna lose? What do you stand to lose by clicking that video? All right. Bye, guys. Okay. Bye-bye.